Are you in your 20s or 30s and wondering how to plan for retirement? Don't worry, you're not alone. The earlier you start, the easier it will be to build a comfortable nest egg. Today, we'll cover simple and actionable steps to set you on the right path. Step 1. Start as early as possible. Time is your biggest ally when it comes to saving for retirement. Thanks to compound interest, even small contributions made in your 20s can grow significantly over time. Let's see an example. If you invest $100 per month starting at age 25 with an average annual return of 7%, you'd have over $240,000 by age 65. Wait until 35 to start, and you'll have less than half of that. The takeaway? The sooner you start, the better. Step 2. Take advantage of retirement accounts. If your employer offers a 401k plan, sign up and contribute enough to get the company match. It's essentially free money. If you don't have access to a 401k, consider opening an IRA or Roth IRA. An IRA allows you to save pre-tax dollars, while a Roth IRA lets you invest after-tax dollars. Both options offer significant tax advantages, so choose the one that fits your financial situation best. Step 3. Budget for your retirement savings. Make saving a priority by treating it like a fixed expense. Aim to save at least 15% of your income for retirement. Can't manage 15% yet? Start with what you can afford and gradually increase your contributions. Step 4. Balance debt repayment with savings. Paying off high-interest debt is important, but don't neglect your retirement savings. Consider splitting your extra cash, some towards paying off debt and some towards your future. Step 5. Educate yourself about investments. Don't be intimidated by terms like stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. There are plenty of free resources online to help you learn. Index funds, for example, are a great low-cost option for beginners. Step 6. Regularly review your progress. Life changes, and so should your retirement plan. Check your contributions and investments at least once a year to ensure you're on track. Remember, saving for retirement in your 20s and 30s doesn't mean sacrificing all your present-day joys. With the right balance, you can enjoy today while preparing for a brighter future. Here's a quick recap. Start early, take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts, budget consistently, balance debt and savings, educate yourself, and review your progress. These simple steps can make a huge difference. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your savings grow. Subscribe for more personal finance tips.